and yes, if you are new on my channel, then you know what you have to do. Click the subscribe button right now, and yes, don't forget to click the bell icon. Yeah, so yes, let's start B2 or even A2 exam preparation. Then yes, German Gyan will help you definitely. We are having a specifically 7 days, 10 days, 12 days, in fact 15 days or 20 days exam preparation classes separately. And if you want to enroll for the whole courses for A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, yes, we are having a separate courses, plus we are having a combo which is A1, A2, A1 to B1, A1 to B2, which normally all the students do. And yes, in that we are giving you a huge discount. And one more thing, last but not the least, yes, internship is starting. From coming Wednesday, internship is starting. So if you want to enroll for internship, then please guys, you can see the number here, you can WhatsApp me here. Hi guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and you are looking German Gyan. So guys, today we are having again a very important QR questions which you have sent me over my Instagram ID. My Instagram is germangyan1. If you're not following, then please do follow. And yeah, subscribe, please subscribe, so that I can get the motivation to make more and more videos. So I'm having a lot of very important questions. So first question is, Duolingo, this question is a very common question. Duolingo helps in learning German language or not? Why Duolingo is very much in the questions. So guys, let me clear you, Duolingo helps you to learn the German vocabulary, nothing else. The grammar, the speaking, all the things, nobody can teach you. Duolingo can teach you the vocabulary plus the correct pronunciation. These two things Duolingo do on the next level. So yes, you can do these two things by Duolingo. Otherwise, if you have to learn German language, then yes, German Gyan is there for you. There is no other way out. Let's come to the next question. Facing problem. I think so this is a very common question nowadays. People are suffering. Facing problem in paying when we are booking B2 exam on Goethe website. As I have done the inquiry to be like Goethe itself. So the thing is that you can give your money if you are not comfortable in paying off like online. Then you can just book the exam and you can go there and get the money in the cash, or you can just send on their address. So that two ways are also possible. Plus there is one more thing which is coming, that when we are registering for Goethe exam, then we are paying the exam fees, and if we are not having the confirmation, then rest of the money will get refund or not. 100% you will get refund, or they will be adjusting that fees into the next way when you will be having the next exam. So don't worry for that particular things. Goethe helps you and gives you the best for that. Let's come to the next question. Hello ma'am, I want to ask a question. German language सीखने के लिए कोई एलिजिबिलिटी तो नहीं है? 12th में कितनी परसेंटेज चाहिए? Guys, for learning German language, you need not to learn English or Hindi. There is no eligibility. If you want to do, then there is no particular percentage. ऐसी कोई percentage नहीं चाहिए. If you want to learn, then yes, you can just start learning. If you know the English, then it's good because it will help you somehow, some points. But yes, English and German are very different. So I normally always suggest everyone that please don't compare German and English. That will always make some harm for you. Last but not the least, which grammar books do you recommend must? Guys, first of all, network books, studio books are the best for the grammar, and still if you want to do, then I will be mentioning the name here, so you can just go through, and these books are very much available over the internet, so you can download the PDF and you can go through it. Thank you so much for this QR questions, and yeah, this was a very interesting questions. If you have any more questions, any query, then please comment me down below. I'm looking forward to all the questions which you have. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. And yes, if you want to enroll for German language courses, A1, A2, B1, B2, combo courses, in fact internship, then yes, German Gyan is there for you. You can just WhatsApp me on this particular number. Till then, take care and keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!